So how does it work if you want to get a new emojis which were released in 2026? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and let's get started. Well, the emojis are attached to a software update. What it practically means is that whenever you open up your settings on the iPhone and check out the general section and software update, you might see that there is one available or that you are up to date. But the point is that new emojis can appear in your keyboard only through this update, right? So when you open up your emojis, it's going to look normally, right? But a few of them are going to be added after an update. It's kind of hard to track them in here because there are so many of them. But if you open up your website the web browser of choice, and you can look up the thing which is called Emojipedia. And this is a place where all of the emojis are tracked, like it's even separated by platforms, and you can see which of them have been released and so on. So you can see what kind of change. So if you click on the change, for example, for the iOS 26.4, we can see what exactly has been added. So this is how we can kind of track it if you are interested in that. But generally, the point is that you can just get the latest iOS and you will always have the latest emojis available. So that's something which you can do. And also keep in mind that if somebody else is sharing those new emojis with you and you're not on the latest iOS version, you're just going to see a blank image and the emoji is simply not going to be shown when other people share the brand new one. So that's how you can keep yourself up to date. I hope I was able to explain that and show you how it kind of works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.